Good morning, Tri-State. I'm 9 First Warning meteorologist Jason Adams. We have some light rain moving through the area now. This will continue for the next several hours, but it'll gradually break up and move to our north as we get into the afternoon. So between noon and 6, we'll have a drier period of weather moving in. There still will be some spotty showers in there, especially north of Cincinnati, but overall it's not going to be as widespread as what it is now. Then as we go towards 8 o'clock tonight, I ramp up the rain chance again as more showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop. And notice your temperature stay into the 60s through noon and only into the low to mid 70s late today. As we are seeing some cooler air moving in, we should be into the mid 80s. But we have a lot of rain moving through not just this morning. Here's this morning's wave of rain. And again, after the noon hour, we'll see it mainly up north, but breaking up for a lot of areas, especially south. If you see some sunshine down south, your temperatures could be a little bit warmer than that 74 I have for late today. But here we go, 8, 9 o'clock. We're in downtown Cincinnati because, of course, Fountain Square's fireworks are tonight, and we are looking at a good chance to see widespread showers and storms redeveloping at that point, especially as we approach the midnight hour. Also at midnight, with the advancement of more heavy rain, we do have a flash flood watch that begins at midnight tonight and lasts until midnight tomorrow night for all the counties in green from Adams County over to Ripley County. And if you're not in this flood watch for parts of northern Kentucky and southeast Indiana, it doesn't matter. You're still going to see heavy rainfall, but the flood threat is greatest in this area because watch as we look at future clouds and radar for the overnight hours. This zone of very heavy rain with red and orange indicating the potential for thunderstorms sets up exactly where the flash flood watch is in effect, and that's why the watch has been issued for this area. It lasts through tomorrow morning's rush. Of course, it's a holiday, but if you do have to head to work like some of us will be, you are looking at some heavier rainfall continuing through the morning rush. And even about noon, we're still looking at that threat for heavy rain finally exiting towards the east. But as we go into tomorrow afternoon, we'll see temperatures into the low 80s. It'll be much more humid, and we have a cold front that'll be moving in. All that sets the stage for the potential for a few strong thunderstorms to develop. So while I'm not expecting the rain to be as widespread tomorrow afternoon as it will be overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, what storms and rain do develop in the afternoon hours could be severe with the greatest risk in yellow. This will not be a severe weather outbreak, though. This is just a few strong to severe thunderstorms with damaging winds, large hail, and an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out, but we're more concerned about damaging winds with these thunderstorms tomorrow. So there's your 9 first warning for severe weather and your 9 first warning for the heavy rainfall as well that'll be falling tonight into tomorrow. And this is just one computer model that has been very consistent with a lot of computer models forecasting at least 2 inches of rain, with some spots approaching 3, perhaps even an isolated 4-inch rain amount possible as well. And that's why we have the flash flood watch in effect. So a very busy period of weather ahead for us for the next 36 hours. Happy to say, though, that from Tuesday beyond, we aren't looking as much of a widespread or severe threat. We do have pop-up storm chances each day, a little higher Wednesday and Thursday, but that's just our typical summertime heat and humidity storms that'll be building up, not anything widespread and severe like we're seeing overnight tonight and into tomorrow.